The MSMEs who would understand more what the market needs and what the market wants. And packaging, again, thank you very much, ProPak Asia, for bringing the first edition of ProPak Philippines here.
So finally, I would like to thank every one of you for joining this morning and wish you all a fruitful, successful, and enjoyable visit to ProPak Philippines. Thank you.
It's very important to bring machines to exhibitions. So anything that could be done on that would be greatly appreciated.
You can also make a focus on inviting SMEs down to also take a look and participate in this exhibition.